Hi guys, excuse me. Before I go to work today, it's Saturday morning, and the Saturday morning ritual is I have to go get you buggers your donuts, your Krispy Kremes, which always seem to go down a treat because there's never any left at the end of the day. And me a can of Monster because it's Saturday, I'm knackered, and you know, you've got to prioritise. Hello, just make sure I put no crumbs on me. I've just scranned a couple of croissants and a can of Monster on the way to work. Okay, so it's Saturday morning. I've got your Krispy Kremes. Saturdays, what happens on Saturdays? So Saturdays tends to be more of a social day. I don't tend to do tool work if I can help it because we have so many people coming and going all day. The routine tends to be I come a little bit earlier, get opened up, get the bikes out that are going out today, stick them out the front, make sure they're all good to go. Wait for Ben from Eat Your Fajita to turn up and Jess and Melissa to turn up. Melissa's off today, so it's just Jess. Those guys will get upstairs all sorted and cleaned and tidy, and then really wait for you guys to come. I like Saturdays because they're more of a social day. I get to talk to you guys and spend some time just chatting shit effectively, and looking at bikes and treating it more like a day off. I work 6 days a week, so Saturdays I try and have as like a more casual day. Like when we're on the tools, it's very intense. And it gets a bit mentally tiring doing that all day every day, so Saturdays I like to treat as a bit more of a social day. If it's quiet, I probably will go into the workshop and see if I can still catch up and get a head start on Monday, but because it's going to be a nice day and the Eat Your Fajita guys are here, smash burgers, tacos, I always take about 6 of, yeah, I think I'll take 6 of them home for me and Nadine to scran on a Saturday evening along with a bottle of wine. So yeah, so Saturdays, chill day really. I guess the footage I'll try and get today is of people and bikes, I guess, unless I start doing some work. I might show you what I'm doing, but if I do anything, it'll be simple stuff, like I said, it might be a service, so I've already shown that this week. I don't know, wait and see. Interesting fact, whilst I'm just at the coffee machine filling up the water. We have this coffee machine about 1.5 years, and in that time we've done over 3,000 coffees. 3,000. That's bonkers. So it's currently about 9:30. Jess is here. Say hello, Jess. It's always quiet on a Saturday first thing until about between 10 and 11, and then if the sun's out like it is today, the masses will start turning up. I'm very pleased to announce that Eat Your Fajita have lamb tacos today, and they were the first ones that I had from them when they came over 1 year ago, and they are the best ones and they are delicious. So if you don't come today and you miss out on the lamb tacos, you most definitely are missing out.
Sorry?
Today's the last day of the no reverse gear thing.
Oh, is it?
Doug trying to start his scooters up. Not working. A bit quiet today. That's alright. Craig's turned up. Some of the people have turned up. I try not to stick the camera into people's faces too much, but you're alright. So I've got to plug these Eat Your Fajita tacos. I'm not going to go too close because they're not mine. But look at these. Ben's under strict instructions not to sell them all because I need at least 6 to take home. And then what are they? Smash burgers on the brew.
Yeah, cooking smash burgers.
You need to. If Ben's ever got the van anywhere at your food, well, you know, your town days, you need to go try them. They're banging. Seriously. So we're halfway through the day, and we've got a few people here, but it's a pretty quiet day to be honest with you. There's Jess. Say hello, Jess. I thought it was going to be busier, but hey ho, it gives me a chance to talk shit to everybody. Craig's scanning down. So Saturdays is a visitor's day for people with little jobs that need sorting out, like this chap here was just checking a few fault codes and wanting them deleting that we can do. It's a pretty quiet day, as I said earlier. Got a few visitors, a few people turned up, a few bikes at the top. But yeah, it's nice to have a pretty calm chilled, relaxed day, to be honest with you. Usually if it's busy, I'm running around like a numpty trying to make sure everybody's happy and dealt with, and you know, playing host, I guess is the right way to put it. But yeah, it's nice to have a bit more of a relaxed day, chill day, so I'm happy with that. It's fine by me. Okay, so my Saturday's over. It's pretty quiet today. We've just helped Ben push that up there. Nice chill day. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the series. We'll do another load of them at some point if everybody likes them. Yeah, thanks. Bye.